So I finally found the best conditioner that my hair needed for so long. I've been struggling with not only damaged hair because I stopped, taking care of my hair or going to the hairstylist. But apart from it, okay, it was really extremely tangled that it was so hard for me to try to fix it. And of course, every time I wash it, it was problematic. So I found this TRESEMME conditioner, okay, that it really changed my whole routine when I was washing my hair. And I recommend this product 100% as it contains hibiscus essence. In this case, it's a Revitalize Color TRESEMME conditioner that you can find it a lot of types of TRESEMME conditioner, but this is specifically for the ones that maybe you're dyeing your hair constantly, any type of color or color, and this helps so much. Okay, like I said again, it's gonna hydrate your hair like you have no idea, and the fact that it's really creamy, it helps so much. In this case, my hair, as you can see, is pretty long. It's been very, very difficult for me before until I started using it, the right conditioner finally. And again, you can get this type of conditioner and your hair, it's gonna look much more shiny, and of course the silkiness, okay, really silky, the way it's supposed to look, especially for us women. It tends to be really difficult sometimes. But again, this option is really creamy. I recommend this conditioner from TRESEMME again, and specifically the Revitalize Color for your hair today.